Imagine someone you love died today. Within minutes, people would know what to do. Someone would call for help. Family would gather. There might be a funeral, flowers, prayers, a coffin, or a gravestone. Even in the middle of grief, there's a process. But for almost all of human history, none of that existed. No cemeteries, no priests, no hospitals, no funeral homes. Just a small group of hunter-gatherers standing in the wilderness, looking at someone who would never move again. So what did the first humans actually do when someone died? The answer doesn't just tell us how they treated the dead. It may explain how humans first discovered grief, ritual, and perhaps even religion itself. To answer that question, we have to go back long before civilization. For millions of years, death wasn't unusual. Predators killed constantly. Animals died every day. Early humans saw death more often than most of us ever will.
But seeing death and understanding death are two very different things. Scientists don't know exactly when humans first realized that death was permanent. At some point, our ancestors stopped seeing a body as something simply asleep and recognized that the person they knew was gone forever. That realization changed everything, because now there was a new problem. What do you do with the body? Leaving it where it fell was dangerous. The smell of decomposition could attract hyenas, lions, wolves, and other scavengers from miles away. Staying nearby wasn't just heartbreaking, it could get everyone else killed. Dragging the body away wasn't much better. It took energy, it exposed the group to predators, and if someone had died from disease, staying close carried risks of its own. Every option came with a cost. For a long time, archaeologists believed early humans probably abandoned their dead whenever survival demanded it. But then they found something that completely changed the story. Roughly 120,000 years ago, humans began doing something almost no other animal does. They buried their dead. One of the oldest known human burials comes from Skhul Cave, where archaeologists discovered carefully placed bodies lying in shallow graves. Not dumped, not scattered by predators, deliberately buried. Soon after, similar burials appeared in other parts of the world. Some bodies had red ochre sprinkled over them, a mineral that may have symbolized blood, life, or rebirth. Others were buried with tools, animal bones, or objects that had no survival value at all. Think about what that means. Burying someone takes time. Time means danger. Every minute spent digging was a minute not searching for food or watching for predators. Yet people did it anyway, which raises an even bigger question. Why? One possibility is surprisingly practical.